Good morning, my dear kids. I hope you all are safe. Stay home, stay healthy, Nana. Always keep smile. Today we are going to learn about EVS. What I am telling now? Now I will tell you EVS. Okay? UKG EVS. Subject is EVS and the topic is feelings. Topic is feelings. Okay. In previous class already I told you some feelings. Today I will tell you other some feelings. Okay, children. Some other feelings also I will tell you, children. Why? Because in previous class 4 feelings and sense organs 5. Totally 9. 5 and 4. How much? Count it. 5 and 4. Count it, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Totally 9. Okay. So, today, yeah, okay. Totally how much? 9. Very good. So, after feelings, after that I will tell you some feelings also. Okay, children. Today also 5 feelings I think left. So, that's why I will tell you other feelings also I will tell you, children. Some other feelings also. Okay, children. Today topic is feelings. Okay, in previous class already I told you some feelings. Okay, enough. Okay, 4 feelings I will tell you. After that 5th one. 4 after which letter came? Tell me. 4 after which letter came? Yes, 5. 5th one is sad. 5th one is sad. What is that? Sad. All living things also have feelings. All living things also have feelings. Don't move. Don't move. Okay. Okay. All living things also have feelings. Okay. 5th one is sad. Very sad. I am also sad. Okay. I am also sad. The little girl, children listen carefully first of all. The little girl is sad. Why? Because the little girl is very sad. Why? Because they can't play outside. They can't play outside. Why? Because rain is raining. Because of rain is raining. That's why she can't play in outside. That's why so sad. Okay, don't move. Okay, that's why she is so sad. Okay, why sad feeling in your face? Tell me. Kada? So many feelings in your face. I know that. Different times, different feelings coming in your face. I know that. Sad. 5th one is sad. I am also sad. Okay. So, the little girl is very sad. Why? Because they can't play outside. Why? The rain is raining. The rain is raining. That's why she can't play in outside. That's why she is so sad. Yes or no? So sad. మీకు బయట ఆడుకోనివ్వకపోతే ఎంత బాధగా ఉంటుంది కదా, అవునా? వర్షం వచ్చినప్పుడు ఇంకా అస్సలు బయటికి వెళ్ళనివ్వరు పేరెంట్స్. చాలా హెల్త్ కేర్ తీసుకుంటారు కదా. కాబట్టి వర్షంలో తడిస్తే మా పాపకి ఎక్కడ జలుబు చేస్తుందో, ఎక్కడ ఫీవర్ వస్తుందో అని పేరెంట్స్ తీసుకునే కేర్ ఇట్స్ రియల్లీ వెరీ గుడ్. సో కదా? ఎస్. ఓకే. సో దట్స్ వై సో సాడ్. షీ ఈస్ సో సాడ్. వై? బికాస్ దే కాంట్ ప్లే అవుట్ సైడ్. Why? Because the rain is raining. That's why she can't play outside. So that's why she is so sad. Okay. Next, 6th one is sad గా ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తారు మీరు? Tell me. Crying. చేస్తారా? Sad గా ఉన్నప్పుడు crying and you all are sad. Sad means crying also coming. Okay. Okay. Due to rain, that's why she is sad. Why? Because she is sad. Due to rain is raining. That's why she is Sad, very sad. Always after that she is crying also. After that she is crying also. Okay. Okay. Next, sixth one is angry. A-N-G-R-Y. Angry. Sad spelling S-A-D. Sad. Next, angry. A-N-G-R-Y. Angry. I also, children listen carefully first of all. Are you understanding, children, my words? Okay. The parents will be angry. The parents will be angry. Why? Because, tell me, the parents will be angry. Okay. Why? Tell me, children. When do children do naughty things in rooms or outside also? Outside or inside? At both sides. At any side, the children are not doing naughty things. So, yes or no? That's why parents very angry. Yes or no, children? The parents are very angry to children. Why? Because the children are doing naughty things. Say yes or no? పిల్లలు naughty things చేస్తున్నప్పుడు అలా చేసినప్పుడు పేరెంట్స్కి ఏమనిపిస్తుంది? బాగా కోపం వస్తుంది కదా, అవునా? So that's why angry. That feeling has angry. Okay. The parents will be angry when children do naughty things. When children do naughty things. ఎప్పుడైతే పిల్లలు అంత అల్లరి పనులు అల్లరి చేస్తారో, ఇంటి నిండా పేరెంట్స్ మంచిగా నీట్గా సర్దుకున్న సామాన్లన్నీ కూడా తీసేస్తూ ఉంటారు కదా, ఇంటి నిండా సర్దుతూ ఉంటారు మీరు కూడా. సో అప్పుడు పేరెంట్స్కి ఎంత కోపం వస్తుంది, అవునా? సో డోంట్ డూ లైక్ దట్, చిల్డ్రన్. ఓకే. Sixth one is angry. When parents angry, the parents will be angry when the children do naughty things. The parents will be angry when the children doing naughty things. Okay? Okay, children, sit properly. Next, scared. Seventh one is scared. S-C-A-R-E-D. Scared. Okay? Okay, children? Board is clear? Okay. Next, scared. You see the street dog suddenly. Okay? When you see the street dog suddenly in front of you. When you see the street dog. When you see the street dog suddenly in front of you. Tell me, in front of you. I will scared. My God, I am also so scared. You know that, children? You do like that, children? You also scared? Yes. When you see the street dog, my God, too much of scared. I am also. Just now also I am scared, no? Okay. When you see the street dog in front of you. Okay. When you see the street dog in front of you, I also scared. Okay. I am also scared. Scared means bhayam. Okay. Okay, children. When you see the street dog. When you see the street dog in front of you, suddenly in front of you, tell me. My God, that feeling is very scared. That feeling has very scared. So that is called scared. Scared means భయాందోళనకు గురి కావడం. అర్థమవుతుందా? భయానకం. ఓకే. ఓకే, చిల్డ్రన్. ఎయిత్ వన్ ఈజ్ సర్ప్రైజ్డ్. అర్థమవుతుందా నాన్న? ఆర్ యు అండర్స్టాండ్, చిల్డ్రన్? అర్థమవుతుందా? సర్ప్రైజ్డ్. ఎయిత్ వన్ ఈజ్ సర్ప్రైజ్డ్. ఓకే. S-U-P-R-I-S-E-D. surprised. Okay, children. Children, do you know what is the meaning of surprised? Children, do you know what is the meaning of surprised? Tell me. Wow, very nice. I will tell you with the help of one example. I will tell you with the help of one example. What is that? For example, today is your birthday. Today is your birthday. Your father is not in home. Went to some village. So you are waiting to your father. You all are waiting to your father. So your father is calling. I am not coming in your birthday. I am sorry. So let us celebrate your birthday. He has told you. So that's why you are so sad and do the cake cutting చేయలేదు ఇంకా. సో మీరు బర్త్డే సెలబ్రేషన్ సర్లే డాడీ రాడు ఇప్పుడు అనేసి బర్త్డే సెలబ్రేట్ చేసుకునేటప్పుడు సడన్గా డాడీ వస్తారు. అప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తారు మీరు? అప్పుడు ఎలా ఫీల్ అవుతారు? సడన్లీ యువర్ ఫాదర్ కేమ్ ఇన్ యువర్ హోమ్. దట్స్ వై యు ఆర్ ఫీలింగ్. వాట్ యు ఫీలింగ్? వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫీలింగ్? Surprise! Wow, dad is coming. Very surprised. Say yes or no? Yes. So children, surprised means when you get unexpected gifts. When you get unexpected gifts. అప్పుడు మీ ఫాదర్ చాలా గిఫ్ట్స్ పట్టుకొని మీకోసం సర్ప్రైజ్ గిఫ్ట్స్ పట్టుకొని మీకోసం సడన్గా ఇంటికి వస్తాడు. అవునా? అలా మీకు అప్పుడు ఏమనిపిస్తుంది? Very surprising. Say yes or no? So when you get unexpected gifts, do you feel surprise? Okay, which we have, children? These are the some feelings. Okay, these all are the some feelings. In previous class also I told you some feelings. Today also I will feel other some feelings also. So these all are the some feelings. Okay, children, once again I repeat that. Sad. Read, children, all of you read. S-A-D. Sad. All of you read loudly. Speak out loudly. A-N. Come on, read. A-N. Children, read, all of you. Are you ready? Yes. S-A-D, sad. A-N-G-R-Y. Angry. Okay. Scared. Come on, read, children. Scared. Yes. C. A. R. E. D. Scared. నాకు అందరి వాయిస్ వినిపించట్లేదు. జస్ట్ ఇగ్వేని అండ్ వినితానే చదువుతున్నారు. మిగతా వాళ్ళు ఎందుకు వినిపించట్లేదు వాయిస్? స్పీక్ అవుట్ లౌడ్లీ. Yes, you. Okay. P. R. I. S. E. D. Surprised. Okay, children, once again I repeat that. Sad, angry, sad, angry, scared, surprised. Once again I repeat. Listen carefully, children. The first one is worried. ఏంటండి చెప్తున్నాను మేడం, అవి కూడా చెప్తున్నాను ఇప్పుడు, అయ్యే అందుకే అరేంజ్ చేస్తా, ఇప్పుడు అవి కూడా చెప్తున్నాను. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్ లిసన్ కేర్ఫుల్లీ. ద ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈస్, ఇప్పుడు అవే చెప్పబోతున్నాను, మీరు ఇంతలోనే చెప్పారు మేడం, ఇప్పుడు అందుకే మళ్ళీ ఫస్ట్ నుంచి చెప్తున్నాను. ఓకే ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈస్ worried. W O O R R I. Come on, read all of you. E D. Worried. Okay. Next, second one is confused. Second one is confused. C O N F U S E D. Confused. Sit properly. Next, third one is tired. Third one is tired. T T I R E D. Tired. Okay. Fourth one is happy. H-A-P-P-Y. Very good. H-A-P-P-Y. Happy. Next. Fifth one is sad. Yes. A D D. Sad. Sixth one is angry. A N G R Y. Angry. Next, seventh one is scared. S C A R E D. Scared. Next, eighth one is, tell me anyone, come on. Yes, is the right answer. Surprised. Yes, U P. Tell me. R I S E D. Surprised. Okay children, once again I repeat. First of all, listen Nana, listen, enough listen. Worried. First one is worried. W O R R I E D. Worried. Next, confused. C O N F U S E D. Confused. Totally confused. Okay. Tired. When the hot summer, you can go to playing. Will you play? That's why very tired easily. Okay children? When you went off and playing with a hot sun, playing in very hot sun, you are tired easily, very tired. Okay. ఎప్పుడైతే మనం బాగా ఎండగా ఉందో అప్పుడు మనం ఆడుకుంటాం కదా బయటకు వెళ్ళి, అప్పుడు వెంటనే చాలా తొందరగా ఈజీగా చాలా తొందరగా టైర్డ్ అయిపోతాం. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్. నెక్స్ట్ హ్యాపీ. happy. When you see the all toys, so many toys, when you see the so many toy gifts, very happy. So, yes or no children? Are you happy? When you see the so many toy gifts, I am also very happy. Okay. Sad. Sad. Feeling sad. Why? Because the little girl sad because the rain is raining. She can't play with the outside. That's why she is so sad. Yes, children? Next, scared. Sorry, angry. Angry. When the why the parents angry? Very angry. Parents are very angry. Why? Because some children are do naughty things at our home. At your home, do naughty things. That's why parents are scared. Say yes or no? Parents? Yes or no? Okay. నేను అడిగేది పేరెంట్స్ని అవునా కాదా అని ఓకే నెక్స్ట్ ఓకే అయినా మా యూకేజీ చిల్డ్రన్స్ ఆర్ నాట్ డూయింగ్ naughty things. Both are very clever and intelligent and very good children. That's why they are not doing naughty things. Say yes or no kids? Tell me. మీరు ఎప్పుడు అలాంటి naughty things చేయరు కదా ఇంటి దగ్గర మీరు చాలా మంచి పిల్లలు కదా అవునా yes very good okay next scared means bhayam why because children tell me yes when you see the street dog in front of you feeling very scared oh my god dog is coming no so that's why ventane running say yes or no okay next surprised when you see the feeling this type of surprise your father tell me surprised okay when you get unexpected gifts that's why you will feel surprised when you get unexpected gifts that's why you will feel surprised okay children this is your new topic for today okay children these all feelings must and should practice at home my dear kids and compulsory with the spellings to read my dear kids okay and worried confused tired happy sad angry scared and surprised these 8 feelings must and should draw the pictures with pictures also for example happy see this just face feelings happy so just face only just face okay children confused aithe confused happy aithe happy ila draw chesi meeru homework anna today homework is that one okay homework must and should practice at home and must and should draw these pictures also okay children okay this is the homework today must and should draw this okay children thank you completed